The Stinger is a four-door hatchback with rear-wheel drive as standard and all-wheel drive as an option. The Stinger resembles the BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe, but at the entry-level price of an affordable sports compact. The Kia Stinger is priced starting at $37,000 for the GT line trim and $52,000 for the GT2. The Stinger is available with two different turbocharged engines, a 300 horsepower 2.5-liter Turbo 4 as well as a 368 horsepower twin-turbo 3.3-liter V6. The right way to order the Stinger is with the spirited 368 horsepower twin-turbo V6. The only way to get your hands on this powertrain is to order a GT2. All-wheel drive can be added for an extra fee, but it replaces the Stinger's all-season rear-wheel drive Michelin Pilot Sport Summer tires. Four-wheel drive drops the top speed from 267 km per hour to 240 km per hour. The Kia Stinger can accelerate to 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds and 100 miles per hour in 11.5 seconds. It's an easy-to-handle car with a surprisingly comfortable ride, sharp styling, and a premium interior. With all this in mind, there should be more hype surrounding the Stinger, but it's too late for that. Kia has announced that 2023 will be the last year for its high-performance sports sedan, but the EV6 GT and other high-performance electric vehicles will take over.